Dubai is known for its luxury, but did you know its chocolate bars are making waves across the Atlantic? Americans just can't get enough. With over 2.8 billion pounds of chocolate consumed in the US every year, it's not just the usual bars catching their eye. Instead, the latest obsession is coming all the way from Dubai, a city famous for more than just its towering skyscrapers and extravagant malls. In recent years, Dubai has turned its focus to fine foods, particularly chocolate. Using rare ingredients like saffron, camel milk, and even gold, Dubai's chocolatiers are crafting indulgent, lavish creations that are impossible to ignore. And now, these opulent bars are captivating American taste buds in a way that's hard to resist and maybe even harder to explain. Get ready to be intrigued as we dive into the delicious details and uncover what's driving this sweet craze. Dubai's luxury chocolate scene. When you think of Dubai, what comes to mind? Towering skyscrapers, palm-shaped islands, shiny cars cruising down Sheikh Zayed Road? Well, it's time to add another item to that list. World-class chocolate. In a city synonymous with grandeur and cutting-edge design, Dubai is quietly crafting a reputation as a chocolate lover's paradise. Here, chocolate isn't just a treat, it's art. Each bar is a masterpiece of flavor, texture, and visual flair. Dubai's booming chocolate scene reflects the city's quest for luxury in every aspect of life. Just as its skyline was reshaped with architectural marvels and jaw-dropping buildings, Dubai is redefining confectionery with an opulent twist on chocolate making. Leading this sweet revolution are brands like Merzem Chocolate Makers and Al Nasma, where chocolate artisans, or shall we say, flavor alchemists, combine traditional Middle Eastern ingredients with global chocolate craftsmanship. Yet the true star of Dubai's chocolate rise is the viral sensation from Fix Dessert Chocolatier that has stolen the hearts and taste buds of Americans. It's the legendary Can't Get Nothing of It bar that sparked a hype which spread far beyond the shores of the Persian Gulf. And if you thought that was sweet, wait until you discover what makes Dubai's chocolate truly unforgettable. The unique appeal of Dubai's chocolate bars. What makes Dubai's chocolate stand out in a sea of sweet treats, you ask? It's the ingredients, rare, expensive, and undeniably indulgent. Imagine biting into a bar infused with saffron, the world's most expensive spice, adding a floral, slightly sweet depth to the chocolate. Or how about the delicate fragrance of rose petals, a beloved ingredient in Middle Eastern desserts, balancing the richness of the chocolate with a soft, aromatic touch? Then there's camel milk, a local treasure that gives the chocolate a creamy, subtly sweet flavor, making each bite smooth and silky. This isn't just a unique ingredient. It's a nod to Dubai's deep-rooted cultural heritage. And for the ultimate extravagance, some of these chocolates are sprinkled with gold flakes. Yes, you read that right. Actual edible gold, turning every bite into a sparkling, lavish experience. This fusion of rare ingredients and expert craftsmanship transforms Dubai's chocolate into more than just a dessert. It's an experience that captures the essence of Dubai's culture. Dubai's chocolatiers have truly mastered the art of fusing traditional Middle Eastern flavors with gourmet chocolate, creating a taste adventure that is both familiar and wildly exotic. Picture crispy strands of kataifai, vermicelli-like phyllo dough, typically used in Middle Eastern confections, pistachio cream that's nutty and slightly sweet, and tahini for that rich, creamy texture, all wrapped in a smooth layer of milk chocolate. Break open that bar, and you're greeted by the bright green pistachio filling and crunchy pastry bits. A tasty, nutty delicacy. But Dubai's chocolate isn't just about the flavors and textures. It's about the story each bite tells. Each taste is like savoring a piece of Middle Eastern culture, where traditional flavors are wrapped in a familiar yet fresh format that excites both Western and local palates. Now, let's dive into how these chocolate bars captured the attention of Westerners. The initial rise of captivating Americans' attention. So, how exactly did these Dubai chocolate bars catch the eye of Americans? Well, like many modern-day phenomena, it all started with a single viral video. In late 2023, Maria Vehera, a Dubai-based food influencer, posted a video on TikTok. In it, she unwraps a chocolate bar, cracks open the bar, and the camera zooms in on the vibrant green pistachio filling oozing from the rich chocolate shell. It's the Can't Get Nafy of It bar from Fixed Dessert Chocolatier, an absolute showstopper. Within days, the video had racked up over 84 million views. Comments poured in from all over the world, particularly from the United States. Where can I get this? Does it ship to the US? I need this in my life. The Americans had spoken, and what they wanted was a taste of this exotic, luxurious treat. That said, here's where things heat up. Unlike most viral food trends where the item in question is readily available, these Dubai chocolate bars were exclusive to the UAE. You couldn't just pop down to your local store and grab one of these bars. That air of scarcity only made it more irresistible. As the video continued to circulate, more content creators jumped on the trend. The more Americans learned about these chocolate bars, the more intrigued they became. The fact that it was only available in Dubai added an element of exclusivity that made it even more desirable. And let's not forget the power of FOMO, the fear of missing out. As more and more people talked about these chocolate bars, those who hadn't tried them felt like they were missing out on something spectacular. The result? A full-blown frenzy with Americans desperately seeking ways to get their hands on these elusive treats. In a world where scarcity amplifies desire and demand, let's explore how the stage was set for an unprecedented chocolate sensation like no other. The climax of Americans' insatiable craving. The Dubai Kunafe chocolate bar has become the ultimate indulgence, igniting an insatiable craving among American consumers. Its unique combination of flavors is unlike anything most Americans have experienced before, with the pistachio cream standing out as a far cry from the typical chocolate bars found in US supermarkets. This distinctive flavor profile perfectly aligns with America's growing interest in global cuisines and adventurous taste experiences. However, with its limited availability, this decadent treat has stoked the fire of American desire, creating an irresistible sense of urgency among Western consumers. Fixed Dessert Chocolatier, which initially sold just 6 or 7 bars a day, suddenly found itself bombarded with orders as the demand skyrocketed. Soon, they were receiving 500 orders daily, with each batch flying off the shelves in mere minutes. But here's where the plot thickens. Fixed Dessert wasn't prepared for international shipping, making it even harder for US fans to get their hands on the bars. The prestige of Dubai, already renowned for its opulence, only added to the allure of these chocolate bars, while the drastic surge in demand has led the company to consider expanding its production capabilities and exploring international shipping options. But of course, the journey of Dubai chocolate to America isn't without its hurdles. Logistics pose the biggest hurdle, as ensuring that these delectable bars maintain their quality and freshness during international shipping, especially to a vast country like the US, can be difficult. And let's not forget the price tag. At about $18.50 for a single bar, the Dubai Kunafe chocolate bar is definitely a premium item. In a culture where expensive foods often go viral, remember the $100 gold-covered ice cream, the Dubai Kunafe chocolate bar fits right in. Its high price tag, coupled with its scarcity, made it the ultimate flex on social media. Yet there also remains the question of scalability. Many of Dubai's gourmet chocolatiers take immense pride in their handcrafted small-batch production. Scaling up to meet American demand while maintaining the same level of quality and exclusivity will be a delicate balance to strike. As Americans continue to crave this indulgent treat, let's delve into how Dubai's chocolate scene is gearing up to make a lasting impact on the US market. The future of Dubai chocolate in America. With the craze for the Dubai Kunafe chocolate bar continuing to grow, it's evident this isn't just a passing fad. It's the dawn of a delicious revolution. This luscious creation is a dazzling fusion of flavors, culture, and innovation, capturing the imagination and tantalizing the taste buds of Americans everywhere. Other Dubai-based chocolatiers are also seeing increased interest from American fans. Brands like Mirzam and Al Nasma, which were once hidden gems known mainly to chocolate connoisseurs, are now stepping into the spotlight and gaining wider recognition. We can also expect limited edition releases or exclusive partnerships that bring the taste of Dubai to US shores as collaboration opportunities arise. Some American chocolatiers have already begun creating their own versions of the Kunafe bar. signaling a shift in the US chocolate market towards more globally inspired flavors. Clearly, the Dubai Kunafe chocolate bar isn't merely a treat. It embodies the globalization of taste, the thrilling power of social media, and the timeless allure of luxury and exclusivity. In a world where food transcends sustenance, the Kunafe bar has become a status symbol, a coveted item to flaunt on Instagram feeds and TikTok videos alike. Now, we want to hear from you. Have you tried the Dubai Kunafe chocolate bar or any other exotic chocolates? Share your sweet experiences and favorite flavors in the comments below. And don't forget to watch the other videos on our channel.